Okay, hi, this is EWhitefield. This is my Enhancement 4 assignment. So we're going to go through real quick and show you what we've got here. So we'll start with the vehicle management page. You can see that if I type in, I'll do it again, but if I type in localhost PHP motors and I type in vehicles and I hit enter, then it goes ahead and it brings up the vehicle management page. And you can see on the vehicle management page, we have add a classification and add a vehicle. So let's do the insertion of a classification. I've already done that, but I'm going to go ahead and show it to you anyway. So I've already added in two classifications, junker and specialty. I'm not sure why this is showing up on the very first time I see the page, but it does show that we're capturing blank data. If you look up at the top of the page, you'll see if I click on add classification, it reloads the page very quickly to give us that error. But if I'm going to add in another one, so we have classic, junker, specialty, sports, let's do motorcycles. We'll do one for motorcycles. So if I type in motorcycles and I click add the classification, you'll see it says thank you for adding motorcycles. And if we go back to the main database, we can go back to the classifications and we can see that motorcycles was added here as a subgroup or as a classification name. And it's showing up as number 9. We can also go to add a vehicle. And again, it's capturing the blank fields initially, but again, if I click on add vehicle, you can see it refreshes the page and it does in fact capture the fact that everything's blank. Here we can go Suzuki, and I don't know, we'll just make up one as an FX 250. I'm sure that's probably not one. Motor cycle for cruising. We're going to enter in the price of the vehicle, and we're going to say that it is, I don't know, we'll say it's $9,000. We're going to have 2 of those in stock, and they are going to be red. And you can see that we added motorcycles, and it is now one of our specialties. So we'll go ahead and we'll select motorcycles, and we'll add that vehicle. And we'll say thanks for adding in that vehicle. And again, if we go back to the database and we look at the inventory, you'll see that here at the bottom we have included now the Suzuki FX250. And it's showing up in the right category number as motorcycles. So we've got that translating over. To show that the add the vehicle results, when I go ahead and I did the check for HTML, it came through with no errors. And if I go through and I show you the wave report, again, we have no errors, no contrast errors, and no alerts. So we are meeting the front end checklist information. And like I said, the one error that I haven't figured out, and I'm going to still keep working on it, is why this prints out before I've clicked on the add key with blank information. But I'll keep working on that and see what happens. But that's my presentation for this week, and you guys have a great week.